Welcome everyone, it's Alex for the Custard Spot, and today we're going to do, hopefully, a testing update. It looks like we have a little bit of a construction update, but yeah, looks like they might be working on the top of the lift hill a little bit, so hopefully we see some testing in a little bit. If not, that was a long drive for nothing. I can confirm that is RMC, because after 21 construction updates, I recognize the construction workers at this point. All right, so we saw just like a bunch of tests. I don't even know how many, but a little bit of a break in testing. One thing is they can dispatch really quickly, but I don't know if people get trains out as fast as they can dispatch. That's almost for sure. But it can dispatch as, it seemed like one train was hitting the bottom of the lift hill as the last train was going through this last heart line, which is insane. That would be a really cool head chopper dual effect almost, but like to get trains out that quick is almost impossible, I'd say.
So that is going to be it. There was more footage, but I cut it down so it's just short and sweet and not too repetitive. But as far as the schedule goes, on the 29th will be the first rider event using the King Size Season Pass. I believe I will only be allowed one ride. I'm going to ride in the front seats, hopefully. And I should have our first reactions video later that day. Then I should be attending either opening weekend or opening day of the actual ride on June 2nd. That should be fun for maybe operations, how it's running, how reliable it is, all those things. And then in the future, maybe I'll do a review. I keep promising reviews, but to be honest, guys, writing, I hate it, and I'm just not very confident in it. So it's something I really want to work on in the future for the channel, but for the time being, I don't know if that's going to happen. But either way, I can tell you right now, with the way that thing is running, it's flying around the course. It's going to be amazing. This is not going to be on the level of Jersey Devil. Then, just really quickly, I want to touch on it. Media Day. People have messaged me and left comments that I should be there, that I deserve to be there. I don't know. I haven't reached out. I don't want to be entitled and expect it. And Hersheypark has not reached out to invite me. So I felt like if I was promoting the park in enough positive light, they would have done that already, but they have not. I don't know. I have a little bit of a problem with media days, especially with some media days recently. Providing alcohol just seems like it's a little dirty. And this one, not so much, because I've already ridden and already given my opinions. But it would be nice to be able to do a reaction shot for Ariel. That would be really neat. But that's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave it at that. And seriously, thank you so much for watching. If you've been here since September when we started, or the last 4 years, either one, thank each and every one of you for all your support. And guys, it's finally happening. RMC Wildcat's happening. Oh my goodness. Woo.